That's lunch. Right there. That's a nice munch. I just can't really get an angle on him. I don't know where he went, but he's somewhere in this rock here. We're gonna find it. Man, I ripped him up. Just pre-gutted, that's all. What a beautiful fish, though. I thought he was a bit bigger, but I mean, that's perfect for lunch, eh? Oh. Jerry, we're gonna have a little flick through current cut. Hopefully it doesn't take too long. Oh, look at the jack right there. Oh, oh! Should we throw him back or not?
Oh, you want him to jump?
No? Letting him go today. Not a girl. What is it? Little jack? It's a little blue run or a little bar jack. Nah, you can let him go. What is this, your third fish? Oh, it's... What is it? Oh, it's a little horse eye. Nah, it's a little bar jack. Maybe. Graceful belly flop. Not a girl.
It's gonna be delicious.
It's like a conch shell cove. It's where everyone used to come and clean all their conchs.
Oh, what?
Isn't that crazy?
And it's in a swirl too.
Uh-huh. They'd park their boat right in the middle there and just throw all the conchs.
What you got?
A big old Nassau.
Really?
But it ripped the spear right out of my hand.
Has he got the hook?
Yeah, take that fucker off. I want to get some of that. I want to get that yellow jack here. Which one?
Like fucking 20.
Yellow. I know. The bigger one.
Oh man, he's nice.
Yeah, he's all right.
If you didn't shoot it, my spear was pulling out right there.
I seen that's why I went down.
Look at that.
Baby, that's beautiful.
Thank you.
You're
Look at
welcome,
this,
yeah.
that is girl.
Jake's actually eating them. I think yellow jacks are good.
Yeah, I mean,
Nice, sweet man.
small
Like
ones.
fish tacos and shit. Look at him.
The
He's got
sun's
this,
just
look at his face.
beaming.
He's like this.
Uh-huh. He's got that damn, he fucked me up look.
That's right. He's playing with you.
They were flipping upside down on their back, moving their head side to side.
They'd roll up and look at us.
Uh-huh. Did you hear them too?
Yeah.
You can hear a lobster. You can hear a lobster. You can hear a boat.
That was incredible. That was the coolest thing, you guys. That was so sick. That's solid. That is nice.
I'm trying to figure out. Yeah, you got the big one and the little one, right? And
Yeah,
the
mine was
medium-sized one's Jerry.
Mine was small and slimy. Oh, got it.
That looks like him.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it.
Cool.
Beauty.
Yeah, give me a little.
I mean, what a beautiful afternoon. It smoothed right out.
Look, there he is right there. You see it? See the dolphin?
No, I don't see him. Oh, is he coming to play?
You know, I'll be honest, I thought he was at least another 5 pounds bigger. Alright, so we are absolutely starving. I've filleted up a couple of hogfish. I cleaned the yellowtail, and we're gonna clean this little muttonfish, and then we're gonna cook it before we go home. Never fillet like this before. Actually, I don't get any bones. No belly
That's a
bones.
really nice fillet. See the little steak?
Sizzle, sizzle, baby. Let's dive into this big boy.
That's all you got left, huh?
Yeah, this is it. I'm not gonna keep the amberjack. We'll find someone to give that to on our way home.
Yeah. It's way more fish than we could eat.
I cannot believe we got this.
Me either. You even see where you shot him?
That's your shot there.
Right there, yeah.
My shot just barely got in the skin. Like, it went right there, and that's as deep as it went. And yeah, I can't believe that held. What do you think he's got in his belly? Nothing? Squids, parrotfish?
I mean, it's a lot of parrotfish.
He got some. Oh my God, he's got a whole family of squid. That one's enormous. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 squids, buddy ate. Ooh. Sizzle, sizzle. Still working on the pompano. I can't get over the size of this squid. That is just... I don't know if I've ever seen a squid here that big. That's huge. How's that for a slab of meat? Oh, that must be where the spear went in, eh?
Yep, that's where I got him.
That chunk. The head. Oh, it's right
Check this. That's pretty done.
How you doing?
Good fish, eh?
That's not bad, eh? You eat these?
Yeah, man.
Yeah?
Yeah, good fish, boy.
Uh-huh.
They got plenty of meat.
Oh, yeah.
Take picture?
Oh, man. It's a beast, isn't it? Oh, that's perfect.